This is my Humanities assessment on how my family uses water. Our average daily usage is 565 litres of water. The average of a city's residential water usage is 458 litres. Between the 13th of August and the 20th of November, we used 99 kilolitres. Therefore, this means our family uses more than the average amount of water. Now I'm going to ask some members of my family how we waste water. This is my sister Taylor. I waste water by having long showers. This is my mother.
So we probably waste water by pre-rinsing our dishes before we put them in the dishwasher. Some people in the family keep the tap running while they're brushing their teeth. And our pool uses a lot of water due to evaporation in summer when we don't get much rain.
From what I have learned in class, these are some ways that we can save water. We can take shorter showers, turn off the water while we brush our teeth, check the tap and toilets for leaks, and don't use water to clean our driveways.